Nowadays, we are overwhelmed by AI-related terminologies everywhere. AI, ML, deep learning, computer vision, Gen AI, and whatnot. Do you feel lost between these buzzwords due to lack of understanding about their basics and boundaries? Give me a few minutes here, and I will explain you top 6 commonly used AI-related terms in very simple language, so that you can remember easily. Let's start with the big boss, AI, or artificial intelligence. As the name suggests, it's a computer technology to induce intelligence artificially into a computer, machine, or robot. Scientists are working on this technology last few decades to improve so that it can be meaningfully applied for our betterment. The time is now, as in last few years, we witnessed major breakthrough in AI technology, and it started becoming part of our daily life. Have you ever wondered how your smartphone knows what you are going to type next? That's AI. When you search for a product in an online store, it starts giving you recommendation of similar products. That's AI. A dumb computer can have human-like intelligence using complex algorithms, vast amount of data, and processing power. Think of AI as a smart robot that can perform tasks usually requiring human intelligence. It's the broadest term that encompasses everything, from simple automated responses to complex problem-solving. To understand other AI-related terminologies in relation to AI, let's make use of a Venn diagram, where I am going to draw a huge circle and call it as artificial intelligence. Next important terminology is ML, or machine learning. It's all about how a machine learns and gathers intelligence. AI and ML works the same way how a human gathers experience or intelligence from various events during the journey of their lifetime from a baby to grown up. Let's think about how we learn. One day when I was a little kid, learning to ride a bicycle, I applied sudden brake while in high momentum. Obviously, I fell down and hurt my elbow. That event taught me that applying brakes on bicycle will have to be a gradual approach, not a sudden one. I learned how to apply brake on a bicycle. As a human, our intelligence is developed from trillions of such events that we start experiencing right after we are being born. AI also learns or gather intelligence exactly the same way, using data input. Machine learning is the way to teach and train AI systems providing data input about various patterns or events. AI system remembers these data points, gathers intelligence and apply the learning for future events. Hence, AI-ML goes hand in hand, and without machine learning there is no artificial intelligence. In our diagram, I will draw another big circle within AI and call it as machine learning. Imagine a toddler who is learning what a cat is. At first, the child learns basic features of a cat, such as having fur, 4 legs, and a tail. This is similar to traditional machine learning, where the system learns from specific features that are programmed into it. Now, as the child grows and sees more cats, they start to notice finer details, the shape of the ears, the sound of a meow, the way a cat moves. The child doesn't need to be told these details. They learn from experience by seeing many examples of cats. This is like deep learning, where the system learns from a large amount of data without being explicitly programmed to look for certain features. In deep learning, we have artificial neural networks, which are inspired by the human brain's network of neurons. These networks have multiple layers, hence deep, that process information. The first layer might recognize edges and simple shapes, the next layer might recognize textures and patterns, and further layers might recognize complex objects like faces or specific types of animals. Let's go back to our diagram. Deep learning is another circle within machine learning. Let's think of generative AI as a chef who creates new recipes. Just like a chef combines ingredients in different ways to make unique dishes, generative AI combines data and patterns to create new content. It doesn't just follow a recipe, it can invent new ones based on what it has learned from all the recipes it has ever seen. For example, if you show a chef many different cakes, they'll start to understand what makes a cake, the need for flour, eggs, sugar, etc. Similarly, generative AI learns from lots of data to understand what makes a certain type of content. Then, it can generate new examples that have never been seen before, like a chef creating a brand new cake flavor. It's a blend of creativity and knowledge, powered by data and algorithms, to produce something new and often surprising. Today, it can create text-based content, image, audio, video, programs, designs, etc. Such creative intelligence is possible all because of deep learning. So, I will put generative AI within the deep learning circle. Imagine you're walking through a park, and you see objects around you: trees, dogs, benches, and other people. Your brain instantly recognizes these objects because you've learned to identify them over time. This is similar to computer vision, which is like giving a computer the ability to see and understand the world through cameras and images, much like our eyes and brain work together. Just as you use your eyes to capture visual information and your brain to process it, computer vision systems use digital images from cameras and videos and sophisticated algorithms to interpret the environment. They can identify objects, classify them, and even react to what they see. For example, a self-driving car uses computer vision to navigate roads, detect pedestrians, and avoid obstacles, much like you would while driving. In our diagram, computer vision overlaps with AI, ML, deep learning, and generative AI. Data science is a technology that provides tools, technique, and frameworks to process vast amount of data and generate meaningful insight from it. Keeping aside AI, data science is used everywhere in the field of computer science. In the context of AI, data science can be seen as the foundation that supports and enhances artificial intelligence. Just like a knowledgeable guide who helps a traveler navigate a new city, data science helps AI navigate the vast landscape of information. Data scientists collect, clean, and analyze data, turning it into a map that AI can use to make decisions, predict outcomes, and learn from patterns. Data science techniques, such as statistical analysis and machine learning, are the tools that prepare the data for AI's journey. They uncover hidden insights and build models that AI systems rely on to perform tasks like recognizing speech, translating languages, or driving cars. Without data science, AI would be like a traveler without a map, unable to use the wealth of data available to reach its full potential. I will draw a circle for data science, which touches all the layers of AI but goes even beyond, due to its wide applicability in the field of computer science. Hope now you have a very good basic understanding of AI, ML, deep learning, Gen AI, computer vision, and data science. That's all for today, folks. Hope it helps. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check our other AI-related videos. I will see you soon in the next one.